A silent hush descends upon the once busy streets, a silence created by the impact of an invisible power we can neither see or touch, and yet it has the power to take away a life of someone we hold dear. In the breath of a moment, it is stronger than any army or leaders who rule by force and power, as it is invisible. Yet out of the window, the sun still shines and the birds still sing, and the call of spring speaks of new life and urges the buds to unfold into the grace of belonging. Nature knows nothing of the fears of man, but responds to the silent strength which awakens new life into being. In the silence, an invisible power was also speaking to the soul of man, to abandon fear and greed forever in a space which was created in the stillness. An echo of who we really are stirred as a reminder to put away the madness and return to the center of belonging. To meet each other with openness of heart and mind. In the space, an opportunity was given to right all wrongs of the past and to learn to truly love again. Not the love of things, but of people, in a world that had forgotten how to truly be in the presence of each other and to stop to hear the birds sing. Because of this, a new hope filled the hearts of man, and a vision to create a better world began, where all could live together in the great dance of existence. And because of this great love, the invisible power could harm no more, and just as the flowers in spring, the blossoms of love and kindness filled the gardens of the earth, a new world was born.